have really bad vertigo. Been to neurologists, been to several different doctors, and they just kind of make you feel like it's in your head. You knew what you were giving me hope, something to finally help me. It's been a hard road, and this is a light at the end of the tunnel, so I'm excited about it.
I went to 3 different doctors, and they said that, just take the medicine, So that's, I would take it if it was really bad, but it would get, I have headaches about at least 6 days a week. So ended up in the hospital doing CAT scans, had 2 CAT scans done, and ended up, they said they really couldn't find anything wrong. They put me on medicine and said I could do that, and I'm not a medicine taker, so I just continued to live with it. And last night was the first time that I actually felt good. I felt like smiling, I felt like doing something, I felt like I could stay out all night. Actually slept 5.5 hours last night for the first time in over a year and a half. And I woke up feeling great. I have no headache today.
You get up and you take Advil or whatever, and you just go through life, and you do that every day, and you think that's what you're supposed to do. And it's not now. I feel completely released and no pain whatsoever, and that's amazing.
Went to my primary care physician. I went through biofeedback sessions. From biofeedback sessions, I got my eyes checked, had a CAT scan to make sure that I didn't have any tumors going on, and then basically just kind of blew it off. And my range of motion and my opening was dramatically increased, and I woke up this morning without a headache. So I'm very, very excited about it. It was the first in a long, long time. I could cry about it right now.
And after going through the therapy, I felt like a new person. Sorry. I haven't had a headache in 3 days, where I suffered for 3 before we came. And I slept great and feel wonderful.
I could see a difference in the first couple of sessions. I felt like there was definitely some days when I absolutely didn't have a headache, and I hadn't experienced that for a long time. I felt like almost like something was missing. It surprised me to realize what it felt like to not have a headache. It'd been a long time, and I'd forgotten what that felt like.
It's just overwhelming to know that maybe life can be so much better than what it's been. And, being able to smile and be excited about the day instead of thinking, okay, how am I going to get through tomorrow?
It's just been the most amazing experience, which I had never heard of before. Thrilled that I had it done, and I'm happy to share this information with you, and I hope and know that it would also help you.
I felt better almost immediately. I was getting rid of some of that pressure on there.
And I noticed a huge difference. It wasn't until, after maybe 2 treatments, it felt really nice, and I wouldn't have the headaches anymore, maybe once in a blue moon. And then one day I was driving, and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't had a headache in forever, and my jaw isn't hurting, and it's just helped so much, and I love it.
I'm completely satisfied and very grateful to Dr. Roble for what he's done for me. He's really changed my life. I'm now working part-time and doing things with my kids and off tons of medication. So yeah, I've lost 40 pounds, so it's been great.
5 treatments, I think, 4 or 5. And literally within the first treatment that Brittany gave me, first, the assessment was brilliant. It was amazing. The technology was astounding, and they were absolutely able to pinpoint what was specifically wrong with me, which to me was a huge, huge relief. After the second week, I was brushing my teeth without it hurting, and I was able to eat a hamburger without cutting it in half and nibbling on it like a mouse. And then within the 3rd week, I was able to start yawning, because yawning was so excruciatingly painful. With the first yawn, I went to bed, and if that was at 8 o'clock, I went to sleep right then, because it hurt so bad. It no longer hurts to yawn. I am almost, I would say, 90% pain-free from where I started, and it's only been 4 or 5 treatments. It has been astounding with each week. It gave me my life back, in all honesty.
It did something to make me feel good again. And, you know, without surgery, without medication, without pain, you know, it was almost too good to be true, but it's not. That's why I guess it's true, it's true. It's really true. Just, you know, I'm very, very, very happy with the outcome. I could tell a difference from the first treatment. You know, it was amazing. It didn't hurt. I chewed on the first time in years on this side of my mouth. So that was, you know, and I kept waiting for it to wear off, and it never wore off. And it's not going to.